That's a PS. Now, Gissum is crunching on the chicken.
See what I mean? See
What did you do? So
I peeled all the crunchy shit off of mine. I don't eat crunchy. I don't like crunchy chicken. I don't like crunchy fish. If it's crunchy, keep it.
You want no part of crunchy?
So you
Cook it
pulled off.
done, and I'll eat it. When you put that old crunchy shit on there, I don't want it.
You don't want it?
No.
Muffin. Yeah.
So, well, now that you pulled all the crunchy off it, what you think about it?
It's all right. I mean, it ain't no better than no worse than no other chicken I've ate, but it's pretty good.
It's good.
You know? Most black people can scale up a pretty good fried chicken.
Except me.
Except you are. Well, hey.
I eat the chicken, but I can't cook the chicken. I love chicken, but I can't cook it.
Well, you missed it. We had some good chicken,
Well,
Superman.
I'm not a cook, man. I tell you,
But I just love the
I can't cook
flat
that good.
Well, that's Superman, everybody. Y'all remember Superman?
I love the flat part.
Fly in on you, baby.
She used wheat flour on it. It's good.
It ain't showing no different than regular fried chicken. Not to
it's
me.
more healthy, you know.
Oh, no.
What you
People that eat fried chicken ain't trying to worry about healthy recipes. Live as long as you can and die when you can't help it.
Yeah.
People gonna eat what they like.
Yeah.
Yeah. You think you're gonna eat that other piece there?
I doubt it.
Oh, I don't mind if I do. Thank you, Charles. I mean,
The last two pieces that
That's
were
good.
left over.
That's it. Last two.
I mean, the chicken is all right, but I just don't care for the
but it's
flesh
good.
part.
Yeah.
It's good cold.
It's good though. It's good.
Yeah.
I just got back here from New York.
Oh shit. New York, my home.
All right. So what do you want them to know, Gissum?
I want them to know that this is the real country style. Twos and fews. You get rid of all the riff-raff, and then all that's left is a little gravy on the pot. When the tough get tough, the tough get going. So everybody else eat and run, but real polecats hang around for the aftermath. One shift go, another one comes. Show them these polecats up here. Mr. Spunky, A.K. Old Mark.
Gissum is crazy, man.
Actually, I've been on the street lately. Holy smoke one time. Been winning
You
that
stop
way we
that
went.
holy smoke shit, man.
Oh, hell.
You's a damn traitor. You done moved over there and got with these holy smoke polecats. But hey,
Only way they
fuck you
win,
and the holy
the
smoke.
only way holy smoke
I'm
win,
making money.
cause I ain't
You know what
getting
I mean? Hey, Chris.
Smokehouse is gonna get the trophy. Don't forget it.
Well, I'll put it like this to y'all. I got that monster grill out there,
Yo.
and I'm gonna put it to work. That's the grill that
What's
won
up,
the
man?
first ever cook-off.
We down here for now. We finna come
The
back.
first ever.
We just shot down. I thought I could catch.
That's why I had to buy it back.
That's why you had to buy it back.
He gone.
Cost me $700.
You over there?
That's what I sold it to him for.
You want to tell the story how the cook off
come back
started?
over there where you at. Yeah.
I already know.
Okay then. All right.
Tell the story.
Well,
Because I was over there.
no, the whole thing started from the hog head cheese video. This whole shit got started. We was all sitting around getting drunk, wasn't fucking with nobody.
I thought George did it.
No, this was before that.
This was before George.
Me and
You
little
right,
Stevie
Cause somebody
and
asked
all
me y'all
these
put the
hoes
eye in the
in the freezer.
pot. Gato.
And Dennis was
I hope y'all
supposed
did
to
put the eye
Dennis
in the
never
pot.
was
I
cooked.
swear. That's still
So
a
he asked me
mystery
what
to
I
this day.
cooked.
That was hog head
Somebody need to
cheese.
tell the truth.
That was hog head
Was the
cheese.
eye in the pot? That's what I want to know.
No.
Thank God.
We took the eyes out. That just Arthur got to show something to make the shit dead. See, y'all don't realize Arthur is a specialist, but I'm a specialist too. So I have to talk shit to get him off my damn trail.
Now this is
And
how
then,
everybody
then
cook off got
and I
started.
have to talk shit to a bunch of others that think I'm an elderly guy and they can just manhandle me. But you can't do
He was
that.
home for a little
Fuck
while.
around and get manhandled.
Wait for.
That's what they
That's
think.
That's what they think.
First cook-off was that.
Oh, I'm a whole polecat.
We was over there off.
and
You ain't having it.
Gissum was home,
Hey,
Huh?
and people was stopping back to dinner when he
I
cooked.
can't dance in them big legs.
And Charles was like, I can cook. Everybody was like, they ain't never seen Charles cook. And the shit start talking from there. It start going. They
Yeah,
start
you
going
heard
back
that?
and
You
forth.
heard that? They said they didn't think you could cook. I said, God damn.
Who thought that?
That's what started it. You was home for something, and we was at dinner time. So everybody stopped by like this, cook anything, and you was like, I can cook. And nobody was like, I ain't never Charles to cook. And the shit start talking from there.
Oh, that's how.
That's how it got started.
They didn't know you can cook.
No, you just make the rubs and the blends and the sauces.
Oh, that's
He wasn't coming home as regular as he come home now. Then
right.
Wow.
So they ain't know what he can do.
exactly.
Do you know that I done retired 2 times from cooking?
Next thing I know, they was like, "Well, grill up and shut up. Come in. We doing a cook off."
That better not be Thaddeus.
No.
Robert Jr.
my cousin here. Uh-oh.
Man,
What's up, cuz? That's my first
not
cousin.
there.
Yeah.
That's the first
Wait
cousin.
a minute now.
He a new
Hold
addition to
it.
the
Hold
style.
it.
What's up, Robert
If he
Jr.?
my nephew, right, Robert Jr. If he my nephew and he your first cousin that seems like to me, we ought to be kin too.
No, that's different. That's different. That's
No.
Somebody been doing something else.
Somebody
No.
been doing something right.
different. What it is, what it is, my father and his mother, his brothers and sisters, my father.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
Well,
saying?
but some kind of way,
I know, no.
if we ought to meet in there
Tell
some
me.
kind of way.
What?
I've been friends with
That
the
guy
King
right there?
family ever since
Don't
I
make
can
enemies with
remember.
him.
Yeah.
Whatever you do, don't make enemies with him.
That's my first
When I say he's a back road king,
Daddy.
no lines on no side of the road.
They used to all used to ride my bus when y'all was living down there in the country, in the little shell house.
Hey, shut it up.
Yeah.
Shut it off.
I know when you was a little fuck.
He said don't ride on no back road with that dude right there because you might get buried on the back.
Don't piss him off and he be like, let's go for a ride. Be your last ride.
back on what?
Back road.
You dig a ditch and your ass be gone.
When I say he knows some
The
back
grill
road,
Hey, see, Billy, you never know who you might run up on over here.
Y'all
Yeah.
stupid.
Yeah, you never know. Never know.
Man, Robert, like, you know you at?
One day, and your wife's first
You
cousin. What country style poke
Man, I'm tired of that
on
shit.
the regular.
No,
It's the truth. It's the
No,
life.
fuck is not.
No, yes, it is.
No.
Yes,
What
it
you
is.
mean real cook
They
style?
don't come cook
Everything he
chicken.
do
They
is
not
real
let
cook
go.
style.
He don't be doing shit.
No, man.
Dude, what are you? Now you a co-signer.
You real. You don't know how to disrespect.
Now you gonna co-sign.
I'm done. I'm done.
But thank you very much. Co-signer.
The real
Co-signer
that's what
with setting up here with a cowboy hat on.
See what I mean?
Anybody-
You get it now, don't you?
With a cowboy hat on. And that. And you do. And you do. And let these polecats out. Let these suckers out of this house.
everybody want to be a
Dude,
star.
ain't nobody no
Who
star.
want-
I like San Francisco. I hate the Eagles, and I hate the Cowboys.
Hey,
And who don't like it?
we always hate.
I ain't gonna tell you what to do.
But you love rice and gravy.
America's
But you love rice and gravy.
I don't even like rice and gravy no more. I very seldom eat meat rice.
Don't you know we are America's team?
You are America's team.
Cowboy.
Bullshit artists. They ain't shit. They ain't
Google
never
this shit.
been shit.
Google this shit.
They ain't never been
Google
shit.
this shit.
I don't have to Google shit.
Google it.
Man, play the
Yeah.
Cowboys.
I tell
They
you
ain't go, come on, we them boys. We should say, we them girls.
What do you think about all this, man?
The
I think
purple
that
team.
you got some
Every
problems
year,
in here.
they still-
Who's America's team?
Cowboys are America's team, and I know that.
Yeah, I don't know what part of America.
Who's America's team? What it says right there. What it says.
It says, let me look at it. It says, haven't won a playoff game in 30 years. Haven't won a Super Bowl in 25 years.
And that's the
And
Okay.
something like that.
That's what I'm saying. They knocked out of the playoffs.
And they gonna
3 playoff games.
E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagle.
Will never go.
Oh, hell no.
Will never go.
I can't believe he just
Everybody.
talking about these Cowboys and shit. I'm finna evict all these old Cowboy mothers. And the Eagle fans too. They can all get the hell up out of here.
He lying to you,
If you ain't
Steve.
San Francisco, you ain't welcome.
He want all this company, Steve.
I'm not no eagle. I'm not none of that shit.
E-A-G-L-E-S.
I thought you was going out to San Francisco.
Man, I can't believe y'all just witnessed that right there.
Oh, you coming to it.
You in the video.
All right, what you cash on that?
Texas Stadium.
All right, we do hard stop.
What phone is this? The Armadillo in the boat.
Come on, man.
Now we riding. Coming back.
Andrew.
We in 75 foot of water. He's shining his light. Long float. Man, all of a sudden, the armadillo woke up. Now the armadillo and the dog fighting all around my goddamn
Come on,
foot.
Todd.
Oh yeah.
They fighting in the boat. The armadillo and the dog fighting.
Man, they were fighting like a. What am I gonna do?
What you did?
I was scared shitless.
Jumped
man.
off the boat.
Did you get the armadillo? Or you got you?
No, the dog finally got the best of the armadillo.
Oh, man.
So now,
What kind of dog was it?
Arkansas hog dog. And the dog was looking at me funny the whole damn time. The dog was watching me, and I was watching.
Did y'all eat the armadillo?
Yeah, so let me finish telling you what I'm telling you, right? So, after they slayed the damn armadillo, we're coming back up to the dock. This white man, he's strolling, man, down the river, shining his light. Something went wrong with the boat, he said, well. So we was coming up to where we're going, he said, we gonna dock this. He ran up on the boat wide open, on the bank. I said, yes! So now, damn, I'm shaking like sheep out. Man, my boy was crying. The tears were coming down his eyes. So then, we jumps out, we goes back to the cabin, so I got to talking. And when Montana threw that ball and Dwight Clark said, whack, I had to leave out the house. I ran out the door, but I stuck my hand back in the door. I had to give
I
my
can see
back.
that right
Yeah. Yes.
I can see that right
Yes.
there.
What?
David.
Dude,
Man, do you believe any of that?
That's a whole story. Just
I
had a reason
ran
why
that
to
on
me.
the road.
So
you won.
What did I win? I had the whole ass. I ran outside and I stuck my hand back in the door for my money.
And they gave it to you.
You didn't have no choice. We wasn't doing no funny bet. They lost. They had to pay.
Okay.
I came back in after they simmered down.
Lifestyle was seriously weird.
all right, let me ask a question. What is an armadillo?
He's the little
got an
motherfucker with armor on his back.
Yeah.
But see,
Anteater?
no, he's an armadillo.
hey,
But see, people don't know that an armadillo is an edible creature. Texas is armadillo kingdom. The guys way
You
out
got them in
South
Florida
Texas-
too.
No, you know what they do? Yeah, but
They're in Louisiana.
they not bad about eating them like
They
that.
can't eat them like a predator.
Them guys say
Can't eat 'em
that
because
they
of that
be
shell
out
they
in the
got.
field.
Like a turtle shell or something.
They say
Flexible,
they
it's
be out in the
moving
field armadillo hunting.
Yeah.
And they run up on the armadillo. He said they run up on him and squeeze him. They say, oh, he ain't fat enough. They let him go.
Texas got more armadillos than any place in the world, right?
Man, I ran over an armadillo. I had a 1973 Cadillac. I wasn't even driving. My buddy was driving. I was sitting back there asleep. Armadillo ran across the road. I was like, bam! Knocked the muff out the car.
All right, fellas, where y'all going to?
Dude, appreciate it, man.
Hey, Chris. Oh, what you doing? Where you at?
Where y'all going at? Where y'all going?
What kind of shit is this? This is a disappearing
Oh,
act. Y'all done went out there.
Yeah, right there, yeah. Right
And now all of a sudden,
Who was y'all? Where did I go?
cause you with him.
I'm your biggest fan.
But you with him.
We gotta leave because
I
you trying to charge for a picture and we ain't paying shit. Chop it up right here. I got to chop it up right here. Huh? Just chop it up right here, huh?
Chop it up,
You
chop
ain't
it
doing
up,
nothing
baby.
if you ain't chopping it
You
up.
ain't doing nothing, you ain't chopping it
Oh,
up.
damn, Stevie done
New York
came
style.
out.
What? I'm here. I'm here.
Yo, hey, Steve, he had to chop it up. He had it. Tell him. What's up with it?
No, you chop it up. You chop it
He
up.
had one of my sandwiches.
Damn you.
What?
Damn you
That's
and
your
the
dog,
damn you and the damn dogs you wrote in there.
Sometimes you gotta talk shit to your dog.
That was your boy.
Sometimes you gotta talk shit to your dog.
That's your dog. Come on, man. You in
That's why I had to talk shit to you today.
You in Gissum gotta get the whole shit.
Sometimes you gotta talk shit to your dog. Hey, who came and got you at the airport today?
I got here.
Stephen, why you ain't pick him up from the airport?
Cause I couldn't.
Some brothers.
All my
shit.
vehicles in the damn shop.
Oh, your what?
All of them in the damn shop. He didn't want to let me drive his vehicle. Pick him up. But he wanted me to find a ride though.
The silent one, Henry went and got him.
Oh, here we go.
This
Here we go.
Steve, this is what we've been waiting on you for though. Is you and Trey going to New York this week?
Oh yeah, we going.
Hey, if y'all do,
We
y'all
going
fine.
next week. We already today.
Y'all fucking fire.
Leaving Friday. Why?
Okay, y'all fired. When you come back,
You fired.
don't
You
come
being
fucking with me. You're fired.
Y'all going for real? Y'all going?
Next week. You going?
So y'all going to see nephew Maurice?
Yep, we gonna be there. Live and direct.
Maurice,
See what I'm doing started.
there will not be a parts member in the month.
Oh, we in there. Next
How
week.
many times y'all
Friday. We'll be in there.
Nah, fuck
All right, guys. See y'all later.
We'll be in Rochester 12 o'clock.
Well, y'all do what y'all need to do.